Umasipala wedolobha iGoli usuvule ngokusemthethweni indawo egcina amanzi kanye nesakhiwo esiqinisa umfutho wamanzi eBrixton lapho-ke imeya lo masipala uDada Moreiro ebehola khona lo mcimbi namuhla ngey'thuba zasekuseni. Lo mcimbi-ke wokuvulwa kwale ndawo buthanyelwe-ke yiphini lemeya uLoyiso Masuku, ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwendle uPhemi Majodina, undunankulu wesifundazwe eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi kanye-ke nephini likangqongqoshe uDavid Mahlobo. Izikhulu-ke zithi umsebenzi uzosimamisa ukugcinwa kwamanzi uphinde-ke ulethe uzinzo ekuphakweni kwamanzi ey'ndaweni ey'zungezile, kanti-ke futhi uphinde ube ingxenye yemizamo yokulungiswa kwengqalasizinda kulo masipala.
Sekwethulwe ngokusemthethweni ingqalasizinda yokugcina amanzi phecelezi water reservoir endaweni yaseBrixton okulindeleke ukuba ilekelele lo mphakathi nezindawo ezakhelene ngamanzi. Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko kuleli ushayele ihlombe le project notheke umphakathi kusezandleni zawo ukuvikela le ngqalasizinda.
But municipalities must also invest back water sales to the water infrastructure for us to have uninterrupted water services. The challenge facing Johannesburg water system is the aging infrastructure, economic growth, population growth, climate variability, but also mushrooming informal settlement that need services. The water mafias, illegal connections, and all those, they come back to municipality. We as residents of Johannesburg must also take responsibility of our deeds.
Umeya womkhandlu waseJohannesburg uthi-ke le ngqalasizinda ibalulekile kakhulu njengoba izolekelela kwizingqinamba zamanzi.
As we officially launched the Brixton Reservoir and Water Tower, a major step forward in Joburg's commitment to reliable and sustainable water services. This project addresses long-standing water supply challenges in the Brixton area, Crosby and Hastings. And it's as a result of a strategic planning, investment and collaboration that today we are proud as Joburg and the city to hand over this important reservoir. This reservoir and tower projects include 26 megaliter of ground reservoir and a 2 megaliter in the tower and a 200 liters per second pump station, and I think we had an opportunity to also see the pump station.
Zingaphezu kwama200 izigidi zamarandi ezichithiwe ukwakha le ngqalasizinda kanti-ke iza ngemuva kweminyaka yezikhalazo kule ndawo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseBrixton.